Shakalaka-la, boom shakalaka-da, shakalaka-la, la 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 la, boom shakalaka-la, boom shakalaka-da, shakalaka-la, la 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 la. Shakalaka-la, boom shakalaka-da, shakalaka-la, la 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 la, boom shakalaka-la, boom shakalaka-da, shakalaka-la, la 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 la. shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Shakalaka la. Shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la.
I'll be starting in just a moment. I'm finishing up what I had started while setting up. I will be back in a moment.
Shakalaka-la. Boom shakalaka-da. Shakalaka-la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka-la. Boom shakalaka.
So I'm currently working on making the object save. So far I have it so that they'll save the position currently. And I've gotten the main for here into the object handler, which I've set as a prefab so I can just edit this from all of them at once instead of one at a time, which I would for the TV handler. And currently the next thing up is, I think, the timer. An object will have an object script attached, but I'm currently trying to make sure that they save. So if I've done this correctly, it should now allow for me one in the Save Data Island. Object Handler Island. Okay, now it just forced to save. If not clear, this is a direct taking from the feature handler. Ah, see what I did wrong.
Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la.
Looks like this. Okay. First now. So the building can either be a creature or a object. That's what I've just done. I hope. Everything should be correct now. Okay, it is saving into here properly. Crackers, I forgot to set their objects. What's the order I have? So it's maps, markets, elemental, and this. I'll just go in here. 1, 2, and 3. There's one more step. Yep, that's all saved now. Oh, crackers, what did I do with all the creatures? Give me a moment.
Shaka-laka-la. Boom, shaka-laka-da. Shaka-laka-la. La-la-la-la-la-la. Boom, shaka-laka-la. Boom, shaka-laka-da. Shaka-laka-la.
Okay, I think I've got it for now. And save data I just have to turn off. Mental combiner and this incubator. Because those will now be handled under objects. And will have their own thing. Okay, I've cleared the save as well. Okay, the objects are now everything. Now this.
shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la.
I don't exactly know how I could make it so it would happen for the first time. There's the empty file. Just gonna get myself a couple more zeros. Just so I can do more testing. Remember? So, in the island, well, they're not on the upper channel.
Boom shakalaka la. Shakalaka la.
Starting object must be set public this underscore.
Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la.
Object start.
Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la.
Okay. If so this is what does not exist. Else. So say if system .io
Shakalaka la. Shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka da. Shakalaka la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka la. Boom shakalaka.
Okay, that should allow for me to set them. If I got this correct as well, I could probably use that as well. No. Cracker.
Shakalaka-la. Boom shakalaka-da. Shakalaka-la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka-la. Boom shakalaka-da. Shakalaka-la. La 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 la.
Okay, I think that does it. Put that on my pad. Shakalaka-la. Boom shakalaka-da. Shakalaka-la. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka-la. Boom Create
shakalaka-da.
object.
Shakalaka-la. La 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 la.
X
Boom
equals
shakalaka-la.
object.
Boom
Put
shakalaka-da. Shakalaka-la.
name object to tag. Object. Game object. Object to destroy. And up. No, not that ex, it's ex. Destroy. Object to destroy. Object to destroy. save data object handler, which I'm copying this bit up here, as these three here all handle the save data. Island. But wait this. Three. Pose equals 3 back to 3. So got a copy. But X pose. But around our pose. There's no Z. But 3. Scale. Equals new. Scale. One. Game. Object. 30. Handler. Current. Objects. Object ID. This one. That object. Object. Then dot its components building dot lace handler dot current dot object information dot add then I'm also going to add a debug, but log error. Actually, no, log warning. Need to add data. Sorry for that moment. Okay, so it won't load the data yet. Without a semicolon. So now if I've done this correctly, when I save the game it should, well, when I load it, all the objects should disappear. Now time to see. What will it do? So for maps, the market, and the sync creator, and elements of the combiner should all disappear. That might be an issue. Oh, it worked. What? Oh, I remember. That should fix that issue. Okay, time to go about that again. Something like that. I'm going to re-import the project. It kept throwing errors I do not have before. So, yeah. I don't know what to do. It's going to re-import everything, I know that. Probably something I should have done a long time ago as well. Because I haven't done this for any of the projects I have on my external storage drive thing. I guess for now, actually, I can go like through this. Would anyone like to go through all of Minecraft's code? I have all of it. This was from 1.21.7, so it's all obfuscated still. I know it has assets, Minecraft, and then textures. So I can show you literally anything. Here's every one of these. So it's a lot of files. So many. I don't know what to do.
Shaka-laka-la. Boom shaka-laka-da. Shaka-laka-la. La-la-la-la-la-la. Boom shaka-laka-la. Boom shaka-laka-da.
Actually, I want to try something. Oh, yes. This is fun. It's like a tail. Also, here's the progress on this thing. I kind of wish I did not do that and instead just re-imported the things that said needed re-imported. So now going through combat unity. Classic order. I would say it would take us about 24 minutes more, maybe? Wait, I don't have 24 minutes. Oh no. 8, 9, 10, 12 minutes. Then again, that's saying that this is just progress bar that's showing the amount of files left. It is filling up fast. Our greatest scheme is yeah, I know exactly what I'm going to be doing. Oh, I forgot to open it. Give me a moment. Yeah, I'm almost there. I just have to wait for it to load actually in of itself. This. So this is a project I was working on while I was in school. I haven't worked on it since this state of publishing, except for adding something specific, but in it, it has the save data, and it has individualized places for objects, which contains the object's owned, positions, and the timers. Also, the game will completely break if any of these are out of order, for which it does have encryption. It's... oh, 1.0. Oh, fun. I forgot that I asked. No matter. And that you were able to move the objects. And objects had priority in clicking. And like if I were to get a save code for this, I can then load it, and the thing would be where I put it. That's the sort of thing I want to work on with this Smashing Creatures official. For which, the major thing is reading the array. So the decode's over here, I went the wrong way. Well, not reading it, but... where is it? Oh, it's this entire thing. Yeah, this is all reading the save code. The major one's right here, though. I want to try and translate this sort of system into my scene creatures. Not with the forever block, though. Oh. And also, if we just put, like, random ones and zeros into here, it won't work. That's sort of what I want to do. It's still not done, though. I showed what I wanted to do. I just have to wait for this now. Someone said something one more day now. Sorry that this may be getting boring. I don't want to live over you. I've been doing this and I'm gonna do this anymore. Specific scripts that had the issues that were going wrong. If I were to make you happy, wait. La 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 la. You know, I'm bored. I'm gonna describe what all this does. Well, not this one. Starting with the building. It will keep track of if it can be destroyed, if it has the UI, if it is a creature, if it is placed, what ID it has, the area and the previous pose it had. Upon being started, it will set all these in the interaction handler, which is setting the main active, the temp and active, the main and enabled, but again, this is only if it's a creature. Actually, I think I can make this. Never mind. If I'll check then if it can be placed, which will grab its position as an integer, where it's local to cell. And it'll get its area's temp and then area temp up position, for which if it is can take that area, it will return true, and if not, it will return false. The place will get the int and area temp again, or then it'll get the area temp up position from area, and then it'll set place to true, and then it will take that area if that was set up, and then it'll set up the element to combiner and set up the previous pose, for which then it'll save. And then within save itself, which that will evidently reach, it will set the game object's position, scale, and other data, such as data. But there's no implemented object ID for data on some objects yet, because I have not made the object class that enable set, which on mouse down it will say that this has been clicked, and then you can open the UI. An object ID, like object data, can check if it can be bought if the object's name, the object ID, and the prefab of the object, for which if it is able to be bought, then it can go into the store with these stuff. The object handler will handle the current, which is itself, as a single advice, so that I don't have to make separate of them. Then it will get the objects of the object from the object data. Then we'll get a object start, which is what I still have yet to implement, but will be the starting position of every object, and then the information behind that object by itself without any data. Which when it compiles the object, it will go into clear the island, and then add it to the list. For which otherwise it will clear it, grab every object. That's if it's not set to start, because if it's set to start the game, that will be set to true. For which then it'll grab every building, and save it, and then add that to it instead. Creature handler is the same as object handler, but for creatures. Within the save data for the element itself, it will save it to JSON after doing the current thing, and then making an installation of the date island. Save data, which is all the way down here, which I'll explain first, which will contain a save data handler for the creatures, which starts position, Y position, X scale, ID, and then asleep, which the object is the same, but instead of getting the sleep, it will get its data, which it has a list for both of those. For which then it will save JSON, it will compile the creatures, check the data path, and see if it exists. And if the file exists, it will compile the objects. If it does not exist, it will compile the objects at start, but if it does exist, it will do it with stop, which again, if its start equals true, it will go through this miniature one, but otherwise go through the main one. And then it will save that to the JSON utility, and it will finish that. Which the mode from JSON will do that in reverse. After checking that it's the same, it will clear out the objects, well, the creatures, then load it from the file path, from the data, from the read all text. Of course, in the JSON utility, it will go from the JSON, and it'll continue from there. Set position scale, creature handler, and so on. The rest of the objects will be the same, I'll destroy each one, and blah blah blah, I'm starting to learn myself. It's not even halfway there yet. Within the save data itself, we'll get the island string, if it is an island, that is. If it saves, or like if I do a map, for which it would ignore the island string regardless. There will be a save data map thing that keeps track of what places you have, but I don't have that in here yet. I'll get the save date, the current of the save data, the currency, the island, the path, and the two timers, which I will be evidently removing eventually. First then I'll get the path, for which this one's mine. Which then it will go to saves, which, if it does save, it will save to all the things. And if it loads, it'll just load everything. And then upon Unity starts, it will load it and then save all data. Just so that no data is lost upon like an extra save or an extra load anywhere. For any data leaks, then it will do pathfinding, which will set the path, and we'll wait for it to set the current. This is the current layout for how the islands will be placed. There's a duck tweaks. And then this is how the objects are sorted. And also I won't have to worry about these for now. After all, I'll go back to this. Chimera, and neglected the both for 1. So 1 and 2. The most I need is 33. 20. And 33, which will handle all this. Still not done. Really. Practically fighting everything. Actually, this doesn't need to be on the 1, it's far practically. Almost. Like the level scene changes, for which you'll get the scene name. And if the current saves, then all of them will save. But just in case, and you'll get the same name, same for here, but it will quit instead. We cannot do an application quit when in the Unity editor, so how to debug.log. This is the timer script, which handles the timer. The timer is not for this, it's what keeps track of the songs in the game. The other timer base is this, which is one large thing. I'm gonna make this clear. Translating these over is very hard. We want to combine our this incubator to use that base. Actually, it will no longer be like either of these should be use the current anymore. I need to go through all my scripts again for this, like I did for Purpley and Greeny, and removing the redundancy. Actually, I can go over the M2 combiner and explain it. Get 2 inputs, like renders, blah 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 for every lead, so now written. These are not used though. This just handles the animations and whether or not it started, and you click it. This is, if it's awake, it's at the current, left. I will need to make this so that there be multiple element combiners. if I ever want to do that. At the moment, it only allows for one. Blah 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 blah. What was EC? Ah, the book of possibilities here. It. What? Oh yeah, 2070. Yeah, I need to make a separation of widgets. Like, this is a very big thing I got myself into, making the objects removable. This then also allows for multiple of them. I'm also removing the thing that I had before, where, like, if you wanted to, you could, I forget what I was saying. My time's almost up and I'm still waiting on this. I'm just gonna stop the stream here, just stop. All that's needed to know though for certain is that these are no longer needed. But I will still need them for reference. That's the issue. Once I find out what happens. For now, bye bye. Thank you for watching. And sorry that this ending has been boring. I hope I was finding everything perfectly, and or notes that if you go through the GitHub of this, it's very easy. Bye bye.